family to Khunam is very big. If you can understand the language, they all call her Mẹ. Mẹ Nam is mean Mommy Nam. This is so special that you have 120 children calling you mother. Some of them come from a broken family, a broken home, or some of them born without knowing who their parents are. There's so many kids that needed to be home, to be in somewhere safe, to be somewhere that they feel that they are loved and wanted. It's a very beautiful beginning. The little cottages on the river. You see a little flower on the side of the road, like growing up to be a big tree.